Hello, we are the SpaceX fans and welcome to the SpaceX Show, the place where you can stay up to date with everything SpaceX. Earlier today, SpaceX launched the DART mission for NASA to send a spacecraft that will crash into an asteroid in future and try to change its course.
0. Mission. The DART mission on the way for humanity's first ever planetary defense test mission.
The booster which launched this mission, B-1063, then landed successfully for the third time on the drone ship Of Course I Still Love You. There was a CNBC article posted saying the leadership of SpaceX's rocket business has been shaken up. CNBC has learned as two vice presidents have parted with the company. SpaceX Vice President of Propulsion Will Heltsley has left. Multiple people familiar with the situation told CNBC, having been with the company since 2009. Lee Rosen, SpaceX Vice President of Mission and Launch Operations, left last week, people said, as well as Ricky Lim, Senior Director of Mission and Launch Operations. Over in Boca Chica, the Starbase Orbital launch site continues to progress. This new quick disconnect mechanism was installed onto the Mechazilla QD arm. Work has continued progressing fast on the orbital launch mount. The orbital launch mount was seen venting as they verified that stuff works. Also, the booster quick disconnect arm was seen moving a bit. This cover for the booster quick disconnect mechanism was spotted. The wide base structure in the production yard is continuing to progress. This new stand was spotted out in the yard. There was a cool render posted of what the first orbital Starship recovery could look like. Musk responded with, unlikely for early ships to splash down intact. Getting to orbit at all on first try would be a major win. He then said long term ship would land on tower arms like booster. Elon Musk was asked, will there be a Starship presentation next year? He responded and said yes. The booster common dome we saw last episode has now been sleeved. Here's a view of Ship 20 on the suborbital test mount after a bunch of tests recently. Engineers continue to work on Ship 21's nose cone with the heat shield tiles being installed. Here is the view of the body section of Ship 21 in the mid-bay. The work on Booster 4 is also continuing at the launch site. Here's a view of the fully stacked Booster 5 in the high bay. As always, I have to say thanks to Mary or Boca Chica Girl and also Nick Ansawini, who are both out there filming the Starbase content. Also thanks to the NASA spaceflight team working behind the scenes on their videos, live streams and other space content. That's it for this episode of the SpaceX Show. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. If you want to stay updated with SpaceX info, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching and have a great day.